Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize your Roblox avatar using just your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app and log into your account. Then here tap the three dots at the bottom, then select avatar or go to your profile. Then here you'll see the option to change your character's clothes, body parts, animations, and accessories. Tap on any category to explore your available items. Then tap on item to try it on. Then if you like it, tap where to equip it instantly. You can also buy new items. If you want more styles, tap shop to browse new outfits and gear using Robux. Then once you're done, your customized avatar will be saved and visible to everyone. And that's it. Your Roblox avatar is now uniquely yours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more avatar tutorials. Thanks for watching.